Hello everybody, it's Anne from Anne Stampin' Up. Okay, a couple of days ago for our Sunday mystery card, I challenged everybody to make a background, for a card to use on a card. So I don't know if you can see it, but let me see if I can do that. Yeah, this is mine, and I posted this on our Cards and Crafts site and Stampin' Up site. I posted it there. This is what I made, and that's an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. So then I thought, well, what am I going to do with it? So this one here is called Delicate Dahlias. It's one of the new Celebration stamp sets. It says Celebration right there. It's one of the new Celebration stamp sets. Now for this stamp set you have to spend $120 to get this free, but honestly it's a beautiful stamp set. The sheet of 8.5 by 11 that I made, this sheet here, I only used the second set of stamps that are in the stamp set. If you open it up, it comes with two sets of stamps, and it's called two-step stamping. And this is the first set where you would stamp the outline and you can color it if you want to or do whatever. This is the second set that stamps a more solid image, and that's what I used to create my 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. The other stamp set I used is also from the new Celebration. This is a hostess set, and it's called In Your Words. So all I'm going to do is show you the cards I made with this set. Now I don't know if I can get them all laid out so you can see them. Well, anyway, there's one, and all I did with that was it's a regular card size, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4, and I left this one blank inside so you could write a message. The sentiment on the front says, hope this card makes you smile. All I did was I took a piece of card, I cut my 8.5 by 11, and I cut out 5 by 4, 5 1/4 by 4, and then I cut it into 3/4. Card number 2, same idea. Actually that's the last card. Here it is, not to worry. This card here, same sort of idea, except I made it a top fold card, and it says, your birthday came, your birthday went, here's the card I should have sent. Okay, and it just says happy birthday inside, but same idea again. I just cut I think I cut 4 1-inch strips, cut into strips, just laid down on the card. I laid the sentiment down, I just glued it down flat on this one. It's kind of a fun card because I think it's kind of a fun saying. And then I did this one, same again. I cut a piece 5 1/4, 5.5 by 4 1/4, and I did my little layering trick. I actually cut it 5 1/4 by 4, and that's how you get the gaps in the middle. But I put this, I put the centerpiece here up on dimensionals, just to give it a little lift. And I just, everything here is cut freehand. I didn't do any, I didn't do any punches. I didn't do anything special. This is a class really, or something fun you could do with your best friend. If she comes over to stamp and doesn't know what to do, you make a sheet of DSP, 8.5 by 11, cut it up, and you can get 5 or 6 cards out of it. So this is number 3, and I just stamped another one. This one says your birthday came, your birthday went, but inside I stamped the other half of the stamp set, which says here's the card I should have sent. Put a little bow on this one using the in color ribbon. And then number 4, all I did, 5 1/4 by 4, put the whole piece on the front of the card. Another stamp out of this In Your Words stamp set. Hope your day is fantabulistic. That means fabulous and fantastic all in one. Punched the punched it out again and cut out the fantabulous stick and mounted it on the white, and then just wrapped a little bit of white twine around just to give it a little bit of something. Inside it just says happy birthday. So there you have that. And number 5, the last one, which way does this go? There is magic in every beginning. Does it say anything? Hope this card makes you smile. I don't know what I'd use that card for, but it was just the last piece of card that I had, you know, that I had stamped out, so I used it. So there you have 5 lovely cards, all out of one 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper that I stamped on, but the card colours that I used are all the in colours for this year. We've got let me think, fresh freesia is the background on that, and this is evening evergreen. That green's going to be my favourite green this year. This is an evening evergreen card. We've got soft succulent, which is the next one. This one here is pale papaya, and this one is polished pink. So as I say, 5 lovely cards, you know, all different, all a little bit different, all using the same suite of products, same set of products. They're all in colour cards. The 2 stamp sets I used, as I say, were the Delicate Dahlias from Celebration, that starts tomorrow, and the In Your Words, which starts tomorrow. That's a hostess set. So that's it for today. It was short and sweet, I hope, and I hope you can use it. Feel free to copy any of these cards if you want another look at them. They'll be on our Anne's Stampin' Up, Anne's Cards and Crafts site, where I usually post everything. I'll post them up there later today, and you're more than welcome to use them. As always, if you do use them, please use the Stampin' Up angel stamp. That just says all the supplies used were Stampin' Up supplies. So that's it for today, ladies. Short and sweet. Go back and enjoy the rest of your holiday. I'll talk to you all later, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye.